How to chosen a kitchen faucet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right kitchen faucet. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know to find the perfect faucet for your space. Let's dive in. Type of faucet. Single handle faucets. These are generally more streamlined and easier to use with one hand. They're ideal for busy kitchens where quick adjustments are needed. Double handle faucets. They offer precise temperature control, but require both hands to operate. They can give a more traditional look and feel. Pull-down, pull-out faucets. The pull-down feature allows you to direct water where you need it, making it easier to rinse dishes and fill large pots. Pull-out models typically have a shorter spout but more flexibility. Touchless faucets, ideal for maintaining cleanliness and convenience. They often come with additional features like adjustable water flow and temperature settings. Finish. Chrome, shiny and modern, but can show water spots and fingerprints. Stainless steel offers a more muted, sleek look and is resistant to fingerprints and water spots. It's durable and fits well with a variety of kitchen styles. Brushed nickel has a matte finish that resists fingerprints and is easy to clean. It offers a contemporary appearance and pairs well with modern decor. Spout height and reach. High arc spouts. These provide ample clearance and are useful for filling large pots and pans. They also make it easier to clean the sink. Installation type. Deck mount, the most common installation method, with the faucet attached to the sink or countertop. Ensure you have the right number of holes for installation. Wall mount saves counter space and offers a unique look, but requires precise plumbing work and can be more complicated to install. Water flow rate. Regulations. Many areas have regulations on flow rates to conserve water. Check local codes and choose a faucet that meets these standards while providing adequate performance. Adjustable flow. Some faucets come with settings to adjust the flow rate or switch between stream and spray modes. Ease of installation and maintenance. Installation complexity. Some faucets are designed for DIY installation with features like quick connect fittings. Others may require professional help. Maintenance. Look for faucets with easy-to-clean designs. Features like a removable spray head or easy-to-replace cartridges can make maintenance simpler. Warranty. A good warranty can provide peace of mind. Look for a faucet with a comprehensive warranty that covers parts and finish. Additional tips. Compatibility. Ensure the faucet fits your existing sink or countertop configuration. Some models require specific hole configurations or mounting styles. By thoroughly evaluating these aspects, you can select a kitchen faucet that not only complements your kitchen's design but also enhances its functionality. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.